So in this video, we are going to look at how Zoom licensing works. Nowadays, everybody uses Zoom, so it's pretty important to understand how Zoom licensing works. So this is their site, Zoom site, and then I went and looked at, what are the level of subscription they have, and how much it costs, and who need what kind of Zoom service. Um, so here, if you look at this is the free. This is the one everybody uses nowadays. If you are a normal person contacting your friend, parents, or having a smaller meetings, so you are going to use the free version. So the free version is going to allow 100 participants. It's pretty big. At the same time, it gives you maximum of 40 minutes of the meeting time. At the same time, if you look at here, this is pretty critical to notice. Unlimited one-on-one meeting. So say if you are calling your friend one at a time, talking to your parents one at a time, because both of your parents can pop up in front of your cameras. They are they are going to live in the same house, so that's not a problem. So if you are having that kind of meeting, you don't need to pay for Zoom. So it's come with free, right? So, and if you go to the next level, that's Zoom Pro. So this is where, if you have a small organization, if you have a purpose to get a small team going for a very long time for a mission, so you are going to look into this license. So great for small teams. So you have to pay $149.90 per year per license, right? So host up to 100 participants, unlimited group meetings, social media streaming. So social media streaming is something. So you can stream your meetings in a social media via Zoom. So Zoom has a Zoom switchboard on the cloud. So your meeting goes there, and then from the switchboard cloud, it goes to whatever streaming channel you want to host this meeting, and it comes with the 1 GB cloud recording per license, right? So if you have you have 100 participants, right? And then so each participant, if they are on a separate location, they are going to utilize one license per login. So that's you are going to pay $149 per year per license. So you need to be careful on that, how this license is getting utilized. So if you have, it's a concurrent license. Say if you have a, if you give out this login for 200 people, and only 100 people can participate, in the meeting at a point in time. All right. So, and then if you go to the other level, so these are the one business people uses. So this is pretty expensive. Host up to 300 participants simultaneously. Single sign-on. So the single sign-on is, say, if you work for an institution and you can sign on to Zoom using your institution login. You don't have to log in through your individual Zoom account. So think about this way. So I'm going to show you how that's going to work. Say you click on a Zoom meeting and it will appear, say, your company name ABC Corp. So ABC zoom.us or UK, wherever you are from. So this is how your Zoom meeting on the browser it will appear, because it's incorporated through your company, through your company domain. So that's why it says it's managed domains. So that's what it means. And company branding. So that means it looks like your company is hosting the through Zoom meeting. So that's what it means. So starting it, the license starting 10, increment of 10. So 10 license for, sorry, 10 license for around $2,000 per year, 1,999 per year. And if you look at the enterprise, so these are you can upgrade, but this one you had to call the salespeople to get on board with this kind of license. So host up to 500 participants and host up to 1,000 participants with an enterprise plan. So there is a host up to 500 participants, a host up to, okay, so there's a small difference here. There's an enterprise and enterprise plus plan. So that's another level. That's why they're asking you to call, because the pricing you can negotiate based on how many users you have. You can get all kind of deals based on your institutional level, how many users are going to be there. And then unlimited cloud storage, dedicated customer success manager. So you have a salesperson, you have a customer service person assigned to you. So all kind of services you get, because you are paying so much money. 100 license at a time. That's the increment at 100 license at a time. 19,999 per year. All right. So these are the license level you have. So right now I have a free accounts. That's why it's asking me to upgrade to Pro. If I go to Pro, it says here is the Pro one host, and if I say okay, if I say 10 hosts, it's asking me to upgrade to the enterprise business plan, because business plan, if you see business plan starting 10 license at a time, so it will be more economical using this plan. So here, so it has to be less than 10 licenses. So, and you can do annual and then you can do monthly. Monthly is a little expensive. When you do annual, you save this much money. And here it is, how you do, and all those kind of things. Hope this video is helpful for you. If it is helpful, please consider subscribing and like my video. All right, thank you.